Hi friends, welcome to QR Code Chimp. This tutorial video explores QR Code Chimp's Share Edit Access feature for individual digital business cards. Before we start, subscribe to QR Code Chimp and press the bell icon for our best offers and promotions. What is Share Edit Access? The Share Edit Access feature enables you to grant others the ability to edit the digital business cards you created. Start with making your digital business card. Check out the link at the top right for step-by-step instructions on how to create it if you haven't yet. If you have already created your digital business card and want to share editing access, let's see how easy it is to do. Sign in to your QR Code Chimp account and navigate to the dashboard. Select the digital business card QR code, click the More icon, and then click Share Edit Access. Enter the recipient's email on the Share Edit Access pop-up. After that, click on the Share button. The recipient receives the edit link via email. Then, they click on the link and set the password to access the edit page. Now, the recipient can edit the digital business card you shared. Note: we recommend bookmarking the edit link received in the email for future reference. Remember, after resetting the password, the recipient's email address and new password should be used to log in and edit the digital business card in the future. You can revoke editing access at any time by going to the Share Edit Access option and clicking on the Delete button. That's all for this tutorial. Subscribe for more such helpful videos.